Hey Toyota Starlet owners, ready to connect your phone via Bluetooth to your car? Great news! Most recent Toyota Starlet models from 2022 onwards come with a touchscreen infotainment system that includes Bluetooth connectivity as a standard feature. This allows for hands-free calling and audio streaming. Here's a quick tutorial on how to do it. First, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. Go to your phone's settings and toggle Bluetooth to the on position. And remember, park your vehicle safely. It's always best to do this while stationary. Now turn on your Toyota Starlet's audio system. Let's start with the steps to connect one. Access Bluetooth settings on your Starlet's infotainment system. Look for a Setup or Menu button on your dashboard or touchscreen. Tap Setup or Menu on the touchscreen. Navigate to and select Bluetooth from the menu options. 1. Add a new device. If no devices are currently paired, the system will likely prompt you to add device or yes to begin pairing. If there are already paired devices, select Add New Device from the Bluetooth menu. Your Starlet system will now begin searching for your smartphone. 1. Put your phone in pairing mode. On your phone, ensure it's discoverable or in pairing mode. This is usually done by simply having Bluetooth turned on and being in the Bluetooth settings screen. 1. Select your phone on the Starlet screen. Once your Starlet detects your phone's name should appear on the car's screen. Select your phone from the list. 1. Confirm the pairing code. A passkey or pairing code will appear on both your Starlet's screen and your smartphone. Verify that the codes match. Confirm the pairing on both devices, usually by tapping Pair or Accept on your phone and OK or Yes on the car's screen. And that's it! Your phone should now be connected to your Toyota Starlet via Bluetooth. You should now be able to make hands-free calls, stream music, and access your phone's contacts through the car's infotainment system. If you run into any issues, try these troubleshooting tips. Restart both devices, clear old paired devices, check your owner's manual, and ensure both your phone's operating system and your car's infotainment software are up to date. Happy driving and enjoy your connected experience.